7-8 linear equations. I can use slope-intercept to form to solve linear equations.
So slope-intercept form. Give me another name for slope-intercept form, you guys. Everybody.
Y-intercept.
Y-intercept and slope-intercept would be the same thing. So slope-intercept, y-intercept, they're referring to the same thing. Linear equation. What kind of line does a linear equation contain? What kind of line, you guys? Everybody. A linear equation has what kind of line? I'm sorry, I should have been more clear on that. It is a straight line. Have we made anything about straight lines today? So a linear equation is a straight line. Okay? Slope. What does slope measure? Anna, what does slope measure? Stop right there. It measures steepness, right? How steep something is. In this case, a line. Y-intercept. What is the y-intercept, Nate? So the y-intercept is where a line intersects the y-axis. So an x-intercept would be the same thing but opposite. Sounds funny, same thing but opposite. It would be where a line intercepts the x-axis. And then you all know what ordered pairs are, right? Give me 3 names for slope. Read them off to me. 3 names for slope. Annika, go. Yep. Yep. Love it. Number 3. Y equals mx plus b. Do you think you need to know all of those parts for y equals mx plus b?
Yes.
Somebody tell me what the y is. Lily, what's the y? It's also called the? Good. What is the m? Ben?
M is slope.
What is x? Sierra? Or? Good. And then b is what, Katie?
Y-intercept.
Love it. Y equals mx plus b going to be a big part of your 7th grade life? Yes. Let's take a look at some of our graphs. We said that you need to be able to graph y equals 2/3 x plus 1. What should you always graph first? Y equals 2/3 x plus 1. What do you graph first, you guys? What should you always put on your graph first when you're given something like this, Matthew?
Y-intercept.
So if you were giving a slope-intercept equation, graph the y-intercept first. So we graphed 1 on the y-axis right there. Then what do you do from there, Matthew? So if we graph the y-intercept at 1, we know the slope is run 2, rise 3. I'm sorry, rise 2, run 3. Rise 2, run 3. Rise 2, run 3. And then connect your dots, right? Okay, next one. You have y equals negative 3x minus 5. What do we graph first, everybody? Negative 5. What's the slope? Negative 3 is negative 3 over 1. So if we have negative 5 as the y-intercept, and we rise negative 3 and run 1, we're on the line. Rise negative 3, run 1. A rise of negative 3 means we're going which direction? Up or down?
Down.
Down. Negative means down. A run of negative 5 means we're going which way? Right or left?
Left.
Left. So make sure you understand your positives and your negatives. Last one. Here we have a line. Where does our line cross the y-axis? 1. Okay, what is the slope of our line? From here to here is what? 2 over
1.
There's our slope, right? Okay, and if you just want to continue to prove it to yourself, you rise 2, run 1, you're on the line again. Rise 2, run 1, you're on the line again. Questions, comments, quandaries, quibbles, quotes, queries?